Great venues begin with great seating. It's about design, innovation, and craftsmanship. It's about creating spaces that inspire and stand the test of time. It's about shaping the future while honoring our legacy. Today, we create spaces with a vision for tomorrow. We are Figueras. For 95 years, we have been redefining seating solutions. Present in over 130 countries, with over 40,000 projects completed and more than 10 million seats installed. You'll find us in the world's most iconic spaces. Because seating is much more than just sitting. It becomes an experience. It brings people together, creating spaces to share and enjoy unforgettable moments. Designed for adaptability, durability, and superior comfort. A team of experts in engineering, manufacturing, and consulting. A trusted partner delivering tailor-made solutions and ensuring the highest standards of quality and design. We provide a 360-degree customer-focused service, combining technology, ergonomics, and innovation. Committed to environmental care, we work to reduce our impact on the planet. Let's create something extraordinary together. Figueras, elevate the seating experience.